Welcome to Unleashing the Wild, exploring the secret life of jaguars. Jaguars are one of the most fascinating and mysterious animals in the world, known for their incredible strength, unique physical features, and solitary behavior. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the world of jaguars, exploring their hunting techniques, habitat, and social behavior. We'll also discuss the current threats facing jaguars and the ongoing conservation efforts to protect these magnificent creatures. Get ready to unleash your wild side as we embark on an adventure into the hidden world of jaguars. Fact 1. Jaguars are the largest cat species found in the Americas and the third largest cat species in the world, after the lion and tiger. They belong to the Panthera genus and are part of the Felidae family, which includes other big cats like leopards, lions, tigers, and snow leopards. Adult jaguars can weigh anywhere from 56 to 125 kilos, with males being larger than females. They can measure up to 2.5 meters in length, including the tail, and stand up to 0.76 meters tall at the shoulder. Jaguars are built for power and agility. They have a muscular and compact body, with a broad head and strong jaw muscles that can deliver a powerful bite. Their short and stocky legs enable them to move quickly through dense vegetation and climb trees with ease. Jaguars have retractable claws that they use for gripping prey and climbing trees, as well as for defense against predators. The size and weight of jaguars vary depending on their geographic location. The jaguars found in South America tend to be smaller than those found in Central America and Mexico. The jaguars in Mexico are known to be the largest in the Americas, with some individuals weighing up to 135 kilos. This variation in size is due to differences in the availability and size of prey, as well as habitat conditions. Jaguars are apex predators, meaning they are at the top of the food chain in their ecosystems. They have a diverse diet, which includes deer, peccaries, monkeys, birds, fish, and even caimans. Their powerful jaws and teeth enable them to take down prey that is much larger than them. They are also known for their unique hunting style, which involves stalking their prey quietly before delivering a fatal bite to the neck or skull with their powerful jaws. Overall, jaguars are impressive creatures that are well adapted to their environments. Their size and strength make them one of the most powerful predators in the Americas, and their agility and climbing abilities make them unique among big cats. Understanding the biology and behavior of jaguars is crucial to their conservation, as they are currently facing threats from habitat loss and hunting. Fact 2. Jaguars have the strongest bite of any big cat, with the ability to exert more force per square inch than lions, tigers, and leopards. According to a study published in the journal Zoology, jaguars have a bite force of 1,500 pounds per square inch, which is the highest among all big cats. This incredible bite force is due to their powerful jaw muscles and large head size, which provide the necessary leverage for their bites. Jaguars use their strong bite to kill prey quickly and efficiently. They deliver a fatal bite to the neck or skull of their prey, which crushes the spinal cord or brain and causes immediate death. This technique is effective even on larger prey, such as deer and caimans, which are known to be some of the jaguar's preferred food sources. Jaguars have been observed using their powerful bite to crush the shells of turtles and armadillos as well, which are typically difficult for other predators to access. The jaguar's strong bite is not only useful for hunting, but also for self-defense. Jaguars are known to be aggressive and territorial animals, and they will defend their territory and young from potential threats. If confronted, a jaguar will use its powerful bite and claws to defend itself and deter predators or other threats. Interestingly, the strength of a jaguar's bite has been linked to its geographic location and diet. A study published in the Journal of Zoology found that jaguars living in areas with tougher prey, such as turtles and armadillos, had stronger bites than those living in areas with softer prey, such as deer and peccaries. This suggests that the jaguar's bite strength may be influenced by its environment and the availability of different food sources. Overall, the jaguar's incredibly strong bite is a testament to its power and adaptability as a predator. Its ability to easily crush the skull of its prey is a testament to its efficient hunting technique and the importance of its role as an apex predator in its ecosystem. However, the jaguar's strength is also a reminder of the importance of protecting and conserving this magnificent species, which is currently facing threats from habitat loss, hunting, and other human activities. Fact 3. Jaguars are not only fierce hunters on land, but they are also excellent swimmers and have been known to hunt aquatic prey. In fact, jaguars are one of the few big cats that enjoy spending time in the water and have adapted well to their aquatic environment. Jaguars have several adaptations that make them effective swimmers. They have a muscular, streamlined body that allows them to move quickly through the water, and their fur is water-resistant, helping them to stay dry and warm. Jaguars also have a powerful stroke and can swim long distances without getting tired. One of the jaguar's preferred aquatic prey is the caiman, a type of crocodilian found in Central and South America. Jaguars are known to ambush caimans by hiding along the water's edge or in the surrounding vegetation and then leaping onto their prey with a powerful bite to the skull or neck. This technique is incredibly effective, and jaguars are known to take down even the largest caimans with ease. In addition to caimans, jaguars are also known to hunt fish, turtles, and other aquatic animals. They will often stalk their prey from the water's edge or from a low branch overhanging the water, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. Once they catch their prey, jaguars will often drag it onto the shore to eat, or they may eat it while still in the water. Jaguars' ability to hunt aquatic prey is an important part of their role as top predators in their ecosystem. By preying on caimans and other aquatic animals, jaguars help to regulate their populations and maintain the balance of their ecosystem. However, this adaptation also means that jaguars are vulnerable to habitat loss and degradation, as well as to hunting and other human activities that can disrupt their aquatic environment. In conclusion, jaguars are highly adaptable and skilled predators, able to hunt both on land and in water. Their ability to hunt caimans and other aquatic prey is a testament to their adaptability and resilience, as well as to their importance in maintaining the balance of their ecosystem. As we work to protect and conserve these magnificent animals, it is important to remember the vital role they play in their environment and to ensure that their habitats and food sources are protected for generations to come. Fact 4. Jaguars are easily recognized by their striking coat, which is covered in a unique pattern of spots. These spots are not just for looks, however, they play an important role in helping jaguars to remain hidden from their prey and blend in with their surroundings. The jaguar's coat pattern is actually made up of spots called rosettes, which are larger and more irregular than those of other big cats such as leopards. These rosettes are usually arranged in a circular shape with a dot in the center, and they are typically found on the jaguar's sides and back. The rest of the jaguar's coat is typically a golden brown color, which also helps it to blend in with its surroundings. The jaguar's coat pattern serves several important purposes. First, it helps the jaguar to remain hidden from its prey, making it easier for the cat to stalk and ambush its target. Jaguars are known for their stealth and their ability to move silently through the forest, and their coat pattern is a key part of their camouflage. The jaguar's coat pattern also helps to deter potential predators. When a jaguar feels threatened, it will often turn to face its attacker and raise its fur, making its coat appear larger and more intimidating. The jaguar's unique coat pattern adds to this effect, making the cat appear even more formidable and less vulnerable to attack. The jaguar's coat pattern can also be used to identify individual cats. Just like human fingerprints, each jaguar has a unique coat pattern that can be used to tell it apart from other jaguars. This is important for scientists and conservationists who are studying jaguars and working to protect them from extinction. Despite the jaguar's impressive coat pattern, however, these magnificent animals are still threatened by habitat loss and degradation, as well as hunting and other human activities. As we work to protect and conserve jaguars, it is important to remember the vital role that their unique coat pattern plays in their survival, and to ensure that their habitats and food sources are protected for generations to come. Fact 5. Jaguars are known for their solitary lifestyle, as they typically spend their lives wandering through their territories alone. These animals are highly territorial and will fiercely defend their home ranges against other jaguars and potential predators. Jaguars are active both during the day and at night, and they are known for their stealth and ability to move silently through the forest. They are opportunistic hunters and will feed on a variety of prey, including deer, peccaries, monkeys, birds, and reptiles. Despite their solitary nature, jaguars do come together during mating season. During this time, males will search for females in estrus and will often fight other males for the right to mate. Once a male and female have mated, they will go their separate ways, and the female will raise the cubs on her own. Jaguar cubs are born blind and helpless and will remain with their mother for the first 2 years of their lives. During this time, the mother will teach her cubs how to hunt and survive in the wild. Once the cubs are old enough to leave their mother, they will go off on their own to establish their own territories and find mates. Jaguars are highly adaptable animals and are found in a variety of habitats, from dense rainforests to open grasslands. However, they are also threatened by habitat loss and fragmentation, as well as hunting and other human activities. As a result, jaguars are considered a near-threatened species, and conservation efforts are underway to protect these magnificent animals and their habitats. Fact 6. Jaguars are large, powerful cats that are known for their agility and athleticism. They are capable of climbing trees, and this ability sets them apart from other big cats such as lions and tigers, which are not known for their tree-climbing skills. Jaguars are able to climb trees using their powerful legs and retractable claws, which allow them to grip the rough bark of trees and haul themselves up. Once they are in the branches, they are able to move with remarkable ease and grace, using their tails for balance and their strong muscles for propulsion. Jaguars will often climb trees to escape danger or to get a better view of their surroundings. However, they are also known to use trees for hunting. When stalking their prey, jaguars will often use trees as a vantage point, watching and waiting for the right moment to pounce. If a jaguar manages to catch its prey on the ground, it may drag the carcass up into a nearby tree to protect it from scavengers and other predators. This behavior is particularly common when jaguars hunt smaller prey such as monkeys and birds, which are vulnerable to other predators such as snakes and birds of prey. The ability to climb trees is just one of the many adaptations that jaguars have developed to survive in their environments. These animals are highly adaptable and are able to thrive in a variety of habitats, from dense rainforests to open grasslands. Unfortunately, jaguars are also threatened by habitat loss and fragmentation, as well as hunting and other human activities. As a result, jaguars are considered a near-threatened species, and conservation efforts are underway to protect these magnificent animals and their habitats. By working to protect jaguars, we can help to ensure that these animals continue to thrive and play an important role in their ecosystems. Fact 7. Jaguars have a unique adaptation in their eyes that allows them to see well in low-light conditions. This adaptation is called the tapetum lucidum, a layer of tissue located behind the retina that reflects light back through the eye. This reflective layer allows jaguars to capture and utilize more light, enabling them to see more clearly in low-light conditions. The tapetum lucidum is found in many nocturnal and crepuscular animals, as it enhances their ability to hunt and navigate in dim light. This adaptation is particularly useful for jaguars, which are primarily active during dawn and dusk when light levels are low. Jaguars' eyes are also unique in that they are relatively large and round, with a high number of rods and cones, the specialized cells in the retina that are responsible for detecting light and color. These adaptations give jaguars excellent visual acuity, allowing them to spot prey from a great distance and track it with precision. The combination of the tapetum lucidum and large, specialized eyes makes jaguars efficient hunters during low-light conditions. They are able to detect even the slightest movements of their prey, and their sharp claws and powerful jaws enable them to quickly and effectively dispatch their targets. Jaguars' exceptional eyesight is just one of the many adaptations that have helped these animals to survive and thrive in a variety of environments. However, like many other wild animals, jaguars are facing threats from habitat loss, poaching, and other human activities. Conservation efforts are underway to protect jaguars and their habitats, but it is up to all of us to help ensure the survival of these magnificent animals for future generations. Fact 8. Jaguars have a strong cultural significance in many indigenous communities in South and Central America. For centuries, these big cats have played an important role in the myths, legends, and spiritual beliefs of these communities. In many indigenous cultures, jaguars are considered to be powerful and respected animals. They are often associated with strength, courage, and protection, and are seen as symbols of leadership and wisdom. In some communities, jaguars are even considered to be sacred animals, with the power to connect people to the spiritual realm. Jaguars also play a prominent role in traditional medicine practices in many indigenous cultures. Different parts of the jaguar's body are believed to have medicinal properties, and are used to treat a variety of ailments. For example, jaguar teeth and claws are sometimes used as talismans to ward off evil spirits or protect against disease, while jaguar bones and other parts are believed to have healing properties. In addition to their cultural significance, jaguars also play an important ecological role in their native habitats. As apex predators, jaguars help to regulate populations of prey species and maintain a healthy balance in the ecosystem. They are also important indicators of ecosystem health, as their presence or absence can be used to monitor changes in the environment. However, jaguars are facing a number of threats in the wild, including habitat loss, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict. In response, a number of conservation initiatives have been established to protect jaguars and their habitats, and to raise awareness about the importance of these animals to both indigenous cultures and the wider ecosystem. Efforts are underway to mitigate human-wildlife conflict by working with local communities to develop strategies for coexisting with jaguars, and to protect their habitats through conservation programs such as habitat restoration and anti-poaching initiatives. In conclusion, jaguars have a rich cultural significance in many indigenous communities, and are important ecological indicators and apex predators in their native habitats. Efforts to protect these magnificent animals and their habitats are essential for preserving their cultural and ecological value for future generations. Fact 9. Jaguars are currently facing a number of threats which have led to their classification as near threatened by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. One of the primary threats is habitat loss, which is largely caused by human activities such as deforestation, agriculture, and urbanization. As these activities continue to expand, jaguars are losing the forests and other natural habitats they depend on for survival. Another threat to jaguars is hunting and poaching. In some areas, jaguars are hunted for their fur, which is highly prized. Jaguars are also hunted as a form of pest control, as they are known to occasionally kill livestock such as cows and sheep. This conflict with humans can lead to retaliatory killings, which can further reduce jaguar populations. Jaguars are also threatened by climate change, which can impact their prey and habitat. Changes in rainfall patterns, temperature, and other climatic factors can affect the availability of food and water, as well as the suitability of habitats for jaguars and their prey. Climate change can also increase the frequency and severity of natural disasters, which can have devastating effects on jaguar populations. Conservation efforts are underway to protect jaguars and their habitats. One important strategy is the establishment of protected areas such as national parks and reserves. These areas can provide a safe haven for jaguars and other wildlife, as well as help to maintain ecosystem services that are important to human well-being. Other conservation efforts include reducing human-jaguar conflicts through education and outreach programs, promoting sustainable land use practices, and supporting local communities in their efforts to conserve jaguars and their habitats. Scientific research is also being conducted to better understand jaguar ecology and behavior, and to develop effective conservation strategies. Overall, the conservation of jaguars is important not only for their own sake but also for the health of ecosystems and the well-being of human societies. By addressing the threats to jaguars and working to ensure their long-term survival, we can help to protect the rich biodiversity of our planet and the many benefits it provides. Fact 10. Jaguars are among the most iconic and fascinating animals in the world, known for their strength, agility, and beauty. However, like many other species, jaguars are facing significant threats from habitat loss, hunting, and poaching. As a result, conservation efforts are underway to protect jaguars and their habitats, and raise awareness about the importance of preserving these magnificent animals for future generations. Conservation efforts for jaguars typically focus on protecting their habitats, reducing hunting and poaching, and raising awareness about their conservation status. One of the main threats to jaguars is habitat loss, which occurs when forests are cleared for agriculture, mining, or other human activities. This can lead to fragmentation of jaguar habitats, making it more difficult for the animals to find food, mate, and move between different areas. To address this threat, conservationists are working to establish protected areas, such as national parks and wildlife reserves, that can provide safe habitats for jaguars and other species. Reducing hunting and poaching of jaguars is also a critical component of conservation efforts. In some regions, jaguars are hunted for their skins, which are used for clothing and decorative purposes. In other cases, jaguars are killed to protect livestock or for sport. Conservationists work with local communities to raise awareness about the importance of protecting jaguars and find alternative solutions for preventing conflict with livestock. They also collaborate with law enforcement agencies to enforce wildlife protection laws and combat illegal poaching and trafficking of jaguars. Raising awareness about jaguar conservation is also important to inspire people to take action and support conservation efforts. This can involve education and outreach programs, public events and campaigns, and media and social media coverage. By highlighting the unique characteristics and ecological importance of jaguars, conservationists can help people understand why it is important to protect these animals and their habitats. They can also engage people in citizen science projects, where individuals can help collect data on jaguar populations and behavior, which can inform conservation strategies. In conclusion, jaguars are facing significant threats due to habitat loss, hunting, and poaching. However, conservation efforts are underway to protect jaguars and their habitats, and raise awareness about the importance of preserving these magnificent animals for future generations. By working together to address these challenges, we can help ensure that jaguars continue to thrive in the wild and contribute to the health and diversity of our planet's ecosystems. Thank you for joining us on this wild journey into the world of jaguars. We hope that you have gained a greater appreciation for these incredible animals and their important role in the ecosystem. Remember, the conservation of jaguars and their habitats is crucial for the preservation of biodiversity and the future of our planet. By spreading awareness and supporting conservation efforts, we can ensure that these magnificent creatures will continue to roam the earth for generations to come. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting wildlife content. Until next time, keep exploring the wild.